By the way, do you know what your reaction time is? It is common practice for accident reconstructionists to use a standard driver's reaction time as 1.5 seconds. Of course, it's an average number that varies with situation and from person to person. Anyway, with Collision Avoidance Assist, your reaction can be not only quicker, but overall more effective. When you decide to avoid an obstacle, the system supports your steering and employs the ESP functions to help you get safely back on track. Front Assist Collision Avoidance Assist, another clever feature to make your journey safer. To activate Collision Avoidance Assist, press the car button on your steering wheel to access the assistance systems. Use the scroll button to select Front Assist, which Collision Avoidance Assist is part of, and press the scroll button to switch the system off or on. Alternatively, you can navigate to Menu, Assist Systems, and tap on Front Assist. There you can choose your advanced warning timing and toggle display distance warning and swerve support. We wish you safe travels with the Collision Avoidance Assist, and we hope you're enjoying your new ŠKODA.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.